Okay. So this PPT is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last class we already discussed about the different indexing mechanism. Can you tell me anyone? So different types of indexing mechanism. So indexing is nothing but dividing the peripheral into equal number of parts. The types of indexing mechanism. Anyone? Danush is not there.
Direct indexing, simpler
Ah,
or plain indexing,
yes.
compound indexing,
Ah,
differential indexing.
okay, then angular indexing. These are the five different types of indexing mechanism. Okay, so direct indexing, simple indexing, compound indexing, differential indexing, as well as angular indexing. So these are the five indexing mechanism. Okay, so this everything we already seen in the last class. Today's class will discuss about the drilling machine. So drilling is the operation of making circular hole. Okay, making circular hole in the workpiece. Okay, removing a volume, so certain amount of volume will be removed with the help of drill tool, and you will get required hole in the workpiece. Okay, so a drilling machine is a machine tool designed for drilling holes in metals. Okay, so if the metal strength is very high, so ductility property, if the material having higher ductility property, then you should select higher strength of drill bit. Okay, higher strength of drill bit. The drill bit strength should be higher than that of material strength. Okay, higher than that of material strength, so then only you can create a hole in the workpiece. Okay, so different diameter hole you can create in the workpiece by with the help of different diameter of particular diameter of tools. Okay, so this is a construction, basic construction of drilling machine. Okay, this is a basic construction of drilling machine. Okay, you just to see the parts of drilling machine. This is a base. Base is made up of strong material. So it is made up of cast iron. Okay, base is made up of cast iron, and this is a column. Okay, so column is also having strength. Okay, so it will give just a support to the workpiece, work table, as well as spindle. Okay, so next, spindle will be rotate with the help of motor. So motor function is to convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. So mechanical is nothing but rotation. So this rotation you can transfer power with the help of belt drive. So two method is there to transfer power from one shaft to another shaft. One is gear drive, second one is belt drive. So usually here belt drive is using. Okay, belt drive is using to transfer power from one shaft to another shaft. Okay, so here motor will be rotate. So now you can transfer power from this shaft to this shaft with the help of this belt drive. Okay, so and different diameter of pulley also using here to increase and decreasing the speed of the spindle. This is spindle. Okay, so spindle you can move upward as well as downward with the help of this hand wheel. And next, check. Different types of chuck is there. So 4 jaw chuck, 3 jaw chuck, same as lathe machine, and you can choose particular drill bit and fix in that chuck. Okay, fix in that chuck, and the workpiece is placed above the work table, and suitable marking is requirement in the workpiece. Then you can create the particular drill hole in the workpiece. Okay, so you can create particular hole in the workpiece with the help of this drill bit drilling operation. Okay, so how it works? Okay, so height of this workpiece, work table, you can adjust with the help of this table clamp. Okay, you can move this table upward as well as downward based on the height of the workpiece. Okay, based on the height of the workpiece. Okay, so next, so particular drill bit you should fix in the spindle, then it will be rotate with the help of motor, and this you can move upward as well as downward with the help of spindle, with the help of this hand wheel, and you can create particular hole. Okay, so it will remove the material. Okay, so drilling is a process of producing hole in the workpiece by removing the unwanted material in that particular place. Okay, so that is called as drilling operation. This is a basic construction of drilling machine, basic construction of drilling machine. So very simple, right? Any doubt? So base is made up of cast iron material, and this is column. Okay, this is column is also very high strength, and this is work table. So work table, you can move upward as well as downward direction in that particular column with the help of this table clamp. And this motor is also supported by column. Okay, motor will be rotated with the help of electrical energy, so it will convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. So power transmission take place from this shaft to spindle shaft with the help of this belt drive. Okay, so you already discuss we already discussed the different types of belt drive: wheat belt, flat belt, rope belt, and all. So in the last year in EME subjects, so can you tell me, so which type of belt drive this one? So while looking, this is looks like open belt drive. So but here using V belt. Okay, V shape of belt. So the function of V belt is to, it can be transfer more amount of power from one shaft to another shaft, but it can be transferred for less distance. Okay, so here distance is very less, so that they are using V shape of belt. Okay, so it can be transfer more amount of power from one shaft to another shaft, one shaft to another shaft. Okay, so and distance between motor as well as shaft is very less, and different arrangement of different diameter pulley also you can see here. This is required to increase as well as decrease the spindle speed based on the requirement, based on the requirement. Okay, then spindle will be continuously rotate. You can move upward as well as downward this spindle with the help of this hand wheel, and create hole in a workpiece. Okay, so this is the construction as well as working principle of drilling machine. Next, we'll see the types of drilling machine. So first one is portable drilling machine, and sensitive drilling machine, and bench mounting, floor mounting, and upright drilling machine, and round column. In that upright drilling machine, different type is there: round column drilling machine, box column section machine, and radial drilling machine, like that. Okay, so we'll see one by one. Okay, different types of drilling machine. So portable drilling machine is also called as hand drilling machine. Hand, you can handle, you can take anywhere that type of drilling machine, and create, helps to create hole in the wall and all. Okay, so portable drilling machine. A portable drilling machine is a small compact unit and used for drilling holes in workpiece in any position. So any position which cannot be drilled in a standard drilling machine. Okay, with the help of you can move anywhere, so based on the requirement, that is called as portable drilling machine. But larger hole is not possible with the help of portable drilling machine. Very small type of hole you can create in that machine. Okay, so that is a small motor is also using in the portable drilling machine, and that wired connection. So if you switch on the current, that motor will convert that electrical energy to mechanical energy. Because of that, spindle will be continuously rotate. Drill bit is fixed to the spindle, and it helps to create hole in the workpiece. Okay, so AC or DC power is enough to run that motor. Okay, so it may be used for drilling small diameter holes in large casting or welded mm, weldments. Okay, at the place itself where they are lying. Portable drilling machines are fitted with a small electric motor. Small motors is using in portable drilling machine, which may be driven in both AC as well as DC. This drilling machine operates at a fairly high speed and accommodate drills up to 12 mm in diameter. So up to 12 mm diameter you can drill with the help of this portable drilling machine. Portable drilling machine. Next one is sensitive drilling machine. Second one is sensitive drilling machine. So this is the second one. So portable drilling machine, all of you understood, right? So you can move anywhere whenever it is requirement. You can move uh, that type of drilling machine. Next one is sensitive drilling machine. It is similar to that of portable drilling machine. Small machine used for drilling small holes in light jobs. Okay, this drilling machine The workpiece is mounted on the table and drill is fed into the work by purely hand control. So so it is made up of base is made up of cast iron material, and also it's having column. So table can be moved upward as well as downward direction based on the requirement with the help of this table clamp. And similarly motor will be rotate. So and belt drive is using here. Belt drive is transfer power from this motor to spindle. So based on the motor speed, spindle is also rotate. So you can increase or decrease the speed with the help of this belt drive. Okay, then particular drill bit is fixed to this spindle, and we can move this upward as well as spindle you can move upward as well as downward direction with the help of this hand wheel, and you can create a hole. So here you can observe the T slots. T slot is nothing but the proper holding devices, magnet holding devices using here. Okay, it will hold the workpiece properly during the operation. Okay, so that is called as sensitive drilling machines. So operation everything is same, but it can be used for small hole drilling operation, small type of drilling operation, lightweight drilling operation you can carry out in sensitive drilling machine. So in sensitive drilling machine there are two types: bench mounted drilling machine as well as floor mounted drilling machine. Okay, so bench mounting drilling machine is nothing but so that workpiece is placed above the work table. Workpiece is placed above the work table, that is called as bench mounting drilling machine. And floor mounted drilling machine is nothing but the workpiece is placed above the floor. Okay, so large weighted workpiece is placed above the floor, that is called as floor mounted drilling machine. Two types: bench mounted as well as floor mounted. So bench mounted is nothing but the workpiece is placed above the work table. Okay, workpiece is placed above the work table. Floor mounted drilling machine, you can large weighted workpiece, it is placed above the floor. Okay, it is placed above the floor. These are the two types of sensitive drilling machine. Next, upright drilling machine. Okay, the upright drilling machine is larger and heavier than the sensitive drilling machine. So this can be used for large diameter hole. Okay, to create a large diameter hole you can use this upright drilling machine. It is designed for handling medium size workpiece and is supplied with the power feed mechanism arrangement. In this machine a large number of spindle speed and feed may be available for drilling different types of work. So different diameter of drilling you can create with the help of this upright drilling machine. Upright drilling machines are available in various sizes and with various drilling capacity. Up to 75 diameter drill is available. That much diameter hole you can create with the help of this upright drilling machine. So the construction of this drilling machine, everything is same as that of sensitive drilling machine. The advantages of upright drilling machine is you can handle more diameter hole. You can create more diameter hole with the help of this upright drilling machine. The table of machine also has different types of adjustment. So adjustment you can make, any type of adjustment you can make with the help of this upright drilling machine based on the construction. There are two general types of upright drilling machine: round column section, so round column section, and box column section. So that is nothing but the table arrangement. Okay, table arrangement. Two types of table can be used in upright drilling machine. One is round table or else box column table, and remaining all constructions are same. So any doubt in upright drilling machine? Any doubt? Upright drilling machine?
No, sir.
Okay. So the process, everything is same. Okay, this is a base. Base is made up of cast iron material and column, and this base is just giving support to the column. So column is which is helps for work table as well as spindle, just give support to work table as well as spindle and motor. So the column is also very strong material, and you can move upward as well as downward this work table with the help of this vertical column, and motor will be rotate with the help of electrical energy. So here V belt is using here. So the function of V belt is to transfer more amount of energy from one shaft to another shaft, and for less distance, so that they are using V belt. Here distance is very less, so that efficiency will be increases if you use the V belt. Then same speed, motor speed itself, the spindle is also rotate. So spindle can be moved upward as well as downward with the help of this hand wheel, and different pulley arrangement is there to increase and decrease the speed of spindle. So next, you can suitable spindle drill bit you should attach to the spindle, and you can create a hole, particular diameter hole in the workpiece. Okay, and also T slots is provided in the work table. That slot is mainly used to hold the workpiece properly. Magnet is attached to that table so that it will hold the workpiece properly in the table. Okay, so this is upright drilling machine. So next one is radial drilling machine. Okay, radial drilling machine. So very important, this radial drilling machine. So it is having lot of advantages also. So here large weighted workpiece can be handled in radial drilling machine. Okay, large weighted workpiece can be handled in radial drilling machine. So work table is placed above the base. Okay, work table is placed above the base, not column is not giving support to the work table. Why? Because it can be handled large weighted workpiece. Okay, so next, this column is just giving support to the spindle. Okay, spindle head and spindle part, drill head and all, motor and all. Okay, so and also this column is having guideways. So with the help of this guideways you can move upward as well as downward this spindle. Okay, so and also the spindle head will be moving in horizontal direction also. Okay, this spindle head will be moving in horizontal direction also. So this column is also having guideways. So just to see the parts, initially base is made up of cast iron material. Why? Because that is very strong material. So next, column is also should be very strong. And a radial arm, where is that radial arm? This is a radial arm. Okay, radial arm. Next, fourth one is motor for elevating arm, motor. So motor function is to what? Convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. Next, fifth one is elevating screw. So elevating screw, with the help of this elevating screw, this radial arm will be moving upward as well as downward direction with the help of guideways. So here guideways is there, elevating screw as well as guideways in radial arm. So next, seventh one is one more motor. Okay, one more motor is using for driving drill spindle. This motor is used to lift this radial arm upward as well as downward direction. Why? Because the weight of this radial arm is very high, very high. Okay, next, drill head. This is drill head and the drill spindle. So drill spindle, and this is one is table to hold the workpiece. Okay, so workpiece is placed above the table, and also proper holding device is also shown here, T slots, so that the magnet is there, so it will hold the workpiece properly. Okay, so this is the arrangement of radial drilling machine. So radial arm can be moved upward as well as downward direction in the column with the help of this elevating screw. So that movement you can do manually or with the help of motor. Okay, or with the help of motor or manually also you can do. This radial arm can be moved upward as well as downward direction. Then this radial arm is having guideways. Okay, with that guideways, this will spindle head will be moving in horizontal direction based on the requirement. Okay, based on the requirement. So large type of work can be handled with the help of radial drilling machine, so that you can adjust the distance, okay, adjust the place of this spindle with the help of horizontal movement of this spindle head. So that purpose they are providing this guideways in the radial arm. Okay, so this is the working principle of radial drilling machine. So how it works, so you can adjust the height of the workpiece with the help of this radial arm movement upward as well as downward direction. Then also place can be set with the help of horizontal movement of the spindle head. Then suitable drill bit is fixed to the spindle, and you can move upward as well as downward this spindle with the help of this hand wheel. So hand wheel you can rotate manually and adjust the height uh, and create hole in the workpiece. Okay, so this motor is used to rotate the spindle. So here belt drive is not there, so losses are very less. So directly that motor is directly connected to the spindle. So if the motor is rotate, then spindle is also directly rotating. So belt drive is not there, so there is no losses here. And this motor is used to lift this radial arm upward as well as downward direction through this elevating screw. This is the working principle of radial drilling machine. Any doubt? Radial drilling machine. Any doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
Next, deep hole drilling machine. So deep hole. Suppose if you want to create the deep hole in the workpiece, you can use this type of drilling machine, deep hole drilling machine. So long length of workpiece can be handled with the help of this deep hole drilling machine. So horizontally, it can be kept in horizontal or in vertical direction based on the requirement. Okay, you just to see the parts of this deep hole drilling machine. One minute. Okay, so drive unit here, boring bar chuck. Okay, so this is actually workpiece. Okay, workpiece is kept in horizontal direction. So drive unit, so two sides separate drive units are provided. So drive unit is nothing but two motors are using. Okay, one is tool, one is workpiece. One is for tool and one is for workpiece, but both are rotating with the same speed. Okay, both are rotating with same speed, but in opposite direction. Both are rotating in opposite direction. Tools are rotating clockwise direction, means the workpiece is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Then you can give feed, okay, with the help of this boring bar. Okay, with the help of this boring bar you can give feed is nothing but a forward movement of the tool. Okay, forward movement of the tool, and it will create hole in the workpiece. It will create hole in the workpiece. Then remaining operation everything is same. So two drive unit are using. One is for tool rotation and one more is for workpiece rotation. So both are rotating in opposite direction and giving feed with the help of this boring bar. Okay, manual method. So with the help of this hand wheel you can move this boring bar forward direction. It will create hole in the workpiece. You will get the required diameter of hole in the workpiece. Okay, this method is mainly used for deep hole in the workpiece. So that is name given as deep hole drilling machine. Next one is gang drilling machine. Gang drilling machine. So number of different diameter hole you can create in single station. Different diameter of hole in a workpiece in single station in different location. That is called as gang drilling machine. So here different diameter of tool is fixed in the spindle. Okay, so different diameter of tool drill bit is fixed in the spindle. Suppose that also is possible, or else sometime they will use different operation like reaming, boring, countersinking, different tool is attached to the different spindle, and multiple operation you can carry out in single station but in different location in the workpiece, that is called as gang drilling machine. That is called as gang drilling machine. So different operation of drilling we'll discuss later. Okay, different operation of drilling we'll discuss later. So here different tool is attached to the spindle. Okay, so not same tool, different tools is attached in different station. Okay, so all together it is called as one station. Okay, all together it's called as one station, and in one station you can carry out multiple operation. You can carry it out in multiple operation but different location in the workpiece, initially table can be adjusted for height purpose based on the height of the workpiece, and workpiece is placed above the work table, and you can adjust the height of workpiece with the help of movement of this table upward as well as downward direction. So this elevating screw will just giving support to the table, and base is also made up of strong material, and a drill head. So separate motor is using for each of the drill bit. Okay, each of the spindle separate motors are using, and it will carry out the operation based on the requirement. Okay, so it will carry out the operations. You can use different tool in different spindle also, anything is okay. So this process is called as gang drilling machine. This process is called as gang drilling machine. Understood? Gang drilling machine. So
Sir, holes are created at different position or different station.
station is nothing but whole together it is called as one station. Okay, whole together is called as one station. So different position. Okay, different position, one big workpiece is placed in the table, and in different position different places you can perform number of operation. You can perform number of operation in single workpiece in multiple location. Single workpiece, multiple location, multiple operation you can carry it out with the help of this gang drilling machine. Understood? In single workpiece, multiple location, not in same location, multiple operation you can carry out. Multiple operation we'll discuss later what are the operation can be carried out. Okay, so counter sinking, counter boring, reaming operation, tapping operation, different operation is there in drilling machine. Okay, that operation you can carry out with this gang drilling machine. So it is name given as gang. Okay, so multiple operation can be carried out in single workpiece, single station is nothing but this whole four consider as single station. Okay, single station. Okay, so this is the working principle of gang drilling machine. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next, multiple spindle drilling machine. So here so workpiece is in same point, there is multiple location, right? It is in single location. Okay, single location you can carry out multiple operation. So difference is previous one is you can carry out multiple location. Performance you can carry out in multiple location, but in multiple spindle drilling machine several operation you can carry out in single location. Okay, single place in the workpiece. That is the difference. Understood, right? Here you can carry out in multiple location. So multiple location you can perform the operation, but here in single location you can perform multiple operation. Previous one is you can perform multiple operation in multiple location. Okay, multiple location is nothing but different location in the workpiece, but here in same location you can perform multiple operation. So that in number of spindle is using here. So in different spindle different tool is attached. So based on the requirement that will be automatically coming. So here gear arrangement is there. So all are automatic system. Okay, all are automatic system. So it is like CNC machine. Okay, it is like CNC machine. So if you write the program, based on the program, it that particular tool will automatically come to that spindle that location and perform the operation. So manual method is also there. So manual method is nothing but the same. So suppose if you want to create tapping operation, that particular tool will be coming to the position and perform the operation. Okay, yeah, this will whole assembly will be rotate, and particular tool will be coming particular place and perform the operation. This is called as multiple spindle drilling machine. But multiple, with the help of multiple spindle drilling machine, you can perform in single location. Okay, same location, same place in the workpiece. Okay, different operation you can carry out, same place, different operation you can carry out. That is called as multiple spindle drilling machine. Multiple spindle drilling machine. So these are the different types of drilling machine. Okay, so what are those types of drilling machine? One is portable drilling machine. Okay, portable drilling machine. Second one is portable drilling machine, nothing but hand drilling machine. So you can create hole. Portable drilling machine, creating hole in the wall. Okay, so next, sensitive drilling machine. So you can perform lightweight job. You can perform lightweight job. So there are two types: bench mounting drilling machine and floor mounting drilling machine. Bench mounting uh, is this is bench mounting. So light job can be handled in the work table. So floor mounting, that workpiece is placed above the floor. Large weighted workpiece can be handled in floor mounting drilling machine. Upright drilling machine, up to ranging 75 diameter, you can create hole with the help of this upright drilling machine. That working principle is same as that of sensitive drilling machine. There is no difference here, and adjustment can be made. So different adjustment is there in upright drilling machine compared to sensitive drilling machine. And radial drilling machine, this is for uh, heavy duty purpose. So heavy duty purpose, two motor is also using, and radial arm is moving upward as well as downward direction, and also this spindle is moving left side and right side. Horizontal movement is also there. Okay, so you can handle large weighted workpiece with the help of this radial drilling machine. And deep hole drilling machine, helps to create deep hole in the workpiece. And gang drilling machine, you can handle multiple operation in multiple location in the workpiece. That is called as gang drilling machine. And multiple spindle drilling machine, you can handle multiple operation in same location. Multiple operation in same location, that is multiple drilling machine. So okay, these are the types of drilling machine. These are the different types of drilling machine. Any doubt? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, so next, different drilling operation. Okay, different drilling operations. So several operation is there under drilling machine. One is the reaming operation. So reaming operation is not, this is a tool. So this is tools which are used for reaming operation. This tool is continuously rotated with the help of motor. Okay, this tool is continuously rotated with the help of motor. This tool is mainly used in pre-drilled hole. Okay, this tool is used only after pre-drilled hole for smoothing purpose. Okay, so this reaming tool is mainly used for smoothing the pre-drilled hole. Okay, pre-drilled hole. That purpose we are using this reaming operation. So smoothing purpose we are using this type of tool. So that is called as the reaming operation. That is called as the reaming operation. Surface finishes operation can be carried out with the help of this reaming tool. Okay, surface finishes, pre-drilled hole, you can finish the surface finish with the help of this reaming hole. Next one is counter boring. So counter boring is nothing but this flat surfaces you can create at the end of the drill hole. That is for bolt. Okay, bolt head, as you have seen, right? Bolt head. That purpose we can create this head. Okay, so counter bore can be created with the help of this counter boring tool. Counter boring tool. So one end of the drill hole. Okay, one end of the drill hole you can create rectangular or square shape. Okay, rectangle or square shape, you can create one end of the drilled hole with the help of this counter boring tool. With the help of this counter boring tool, so the operation, this counter boring tool is same as that of drilling hole. So it will be rotate with the help of motor and creating the flat surfaces. Okay, creating uh
The reaming is for surface finish, right?
which one?
Reaming operation.
Surface finishes of pre-drilled hole. This counter boring for uh, like square or rectangular shape can be created at one end of the drilled hole. Okay, one end of the drilled hole, that is for screw thread part, not thread part, that head part. Okay, screw head part. That purpose we can create this counter boring operation. It will create this rectangle or square shape at one end of the pre-drilled hole. Okay, pre-drilled hole, drilled hole. Okay, so drilled hole, you can create this type of shape. Okay, this type of shape, rectangle or square shape, with the help of this counter boring tool. Okay, with the help of this counter boring tool. Next one is countersinking. So countersinking is nothing but screw shape, is nothing but conical shape can be created with the help of this countersinking tool. So conical shape will be producers. Conical shape will be producers. That is called as countersinking tool. Okay, countersinking tool. It will helps for screw. Okay, screw head. Okay, screw head. It is helps. So this conical shape will be producers. The angle is varies from 30 degree to 45 degree. So with the help of countersinking tool, that operation of this countersinking, all tools are remain same. So it will be rotate with the help of motor. Okay, so and can be moved upward as well as downward with the help of spindle. Okay, spindle movement, with you can move this countersinging tool upward as well as downward direction. Next, tapping is creating thread part inside the hole. Okay, inside the hole you can create thread part with the help of this tapping tool. So this is called as tapping operation, creating thread part in the workpiece, creating thread part in the workpiece. Next, spot facing. So facing is nothing but the smooth spot producers with the help of the spot facing. So it is also spot smooth surface finishes. Okay, the flatness will be producers at the end of the drilled hole. Okay, at the end of the drilled hole, producing flat surfaces with help of the spot facing. Okay, these are the different operation. And the next one is boring. So boring is the enlargement of previous drilled hole. Okay, enlargement of previous drilled hole. So that is called as boring operation. Enlargement of previous drilled hole. Suppose you are created hole of diameter 10 mm, but the requirement diameter is 20. So otherwise simply you should waste the that workpiece. So to avoid that one, you can create this boring operation. It is helps to increase the diameter of the workpiece previous drilled hole. That is called as boring operation. And next, tree panning. So tree panning is nothing but this creating circular shape. So here creating hole, right? So after that, if you want to create one circle throughout this hole, then you can create with the help of this tree panning tool. So here previous drill hole will be fixed with the guide, this one guide tin. Next, this tool header will be continuously rotated with the help of motor and creating circular shape in the workpiece, throughout this drilled hole. Okay, throughout this drilled hole. That operation is called as tree panning. Operation. So it is mainly used to create circular shape throughout the drilled hole. Okay, that is called as tree panning hole. That circle diameter can be increase or decrease based on this tool diameter. You can increase or decrease the diameter of that circle with the help of this by choosing different diameter of tool. Okay, tree panning tool. So these are the different method of drilling operation. Okay, these are the different drilling operation. What are those? First one is reaming operation.
Ream.
Means what? What is the use of reaming operation? Surface finishes.
Surface
Okay,
finish.
surface finishes of drilled hole. Next, counter boring, producing uh,
Square or rectangular shape
uh,
at one
uh,
end of drilled
yes,
hole.
a rectangle or square shape at the one end of the drilled hole. And next, counter sinking is nothing. Conical shape will be produced. Conical shape. Next, tapping, producing thread in the drilled hole. Producing thread in the drilled hole, that is called as tapping. Next, spot facing is flat finishes at the end of the drilled hole. At the end of the drilled hole, flat finishes will be producers. So next, boring.
Enlargement of previous drilled holes.
Yes, good. So enlargement of previous drilled hole, that is called as boring. Tree panning. Tree
For
panning,
circular shape.
circular shape is produces throughout the drilled hole. Okay, throughout the drilled hole, you can produce circular shape. Okay, circular shape. Okay, so you can increase or decrease the diameter of that circle with the help of this choosing of this tool. Okay, choosing of particular tool, you can increase or decrease the diameter of the circle. That is called as tree panning. These are the different operation of drilling. Okay, so today's class we'll discuss about that what is drilling operation, different types of drilling operation, and a different operation of drilling. Okay, so this much topic we covered. So next class onwards we'll discuss the grinding, shaping operation, grinding as well as shaping operation. Remaining two operation is there in the syllabus that we'll see in the next class. Okay, so any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay, so if you have any doubt you can approach me. Okay, so any doubt particularly?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, we'll see in the next class. So all of you submit your assignment as possible earlier. So last date is 31st, second assignment. So please submit as possible earlier. Okay, so based on that your submission I will give the marks. Okay, so then okay, that's it. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.